Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Small Change with Shaye. It's Valentine's week, guys, or the week before, because I think Valentine's Day is actually the 14th is when next Tuesday, I believe. Anyhow, I did my dining room. I decorated my dining room for Valentine's Day probably 3 weeks ago. So yeah, it was a bit early on that, which is no problem. I mean, I'm not a Valentine's Day kind of gal, to be honest with you. But I also wanted to get creative, more creative, do a lot more DIY stuff. And one of the things I've never seen is really a coffee table decorated for Valentine's. And I decide why not? I mean, simple project, make your dining room, not your dining room, just the table, just the coffee table, because I was not going to decorate an entire room again for Valentine's Day. No. So, but most of the things I wanted to do, I want to do is like DIY stuff. Like I want the majority, like my floral arrangements, I want it to be DIY flowers. I want to make a Valentine's Day wreath. I also want to make a vase and a candle holder. So I wanted to do all of that and set it up for my coffee table. So guys, it's all in there. Collectively, I want to do it. As how to set it up, I have no idea. So that will be my challenge. Well, my challenge is trying to create it all and hoping it comes together at the end of it. So I'll let you guys be the judge of that. I'm gonna start getting creative with some of the ideas, the things that I'm thinking about. Hopefully it comes out Okay, guys, so welcome back, and let's try to set up this coffee table. Take a look and see, some of the DIYs that I did. It's more to show the DIYs. I'm not sure how to set up the coffee table, to be honest with you, but I'm going to try my best, and I'm going to show you the DIYs that I created, for Valentine's week. Anyhow, let's see what I can do. All right. Okay, guys, so this is the final view of the coffee table. Most of the items, as I mentioned, DIY items. Let me know what you think. Things could have been done better, which is okay. It's all a learning process. But I hope you like and you are inspired to do your own. This is the wreath that I was talking about. I actually really love how this came out. I don't have any complaints on that. I mean, I can just put it in a bag and use it next year. And of course, this is the vase that I worked on. Should light my candles. I don't know why I don't light my candles. And of course, my floral DIY with tissue paper. And I love how these came out also. I'm not disappointed in these at all. And moving over to my DIY vase. It's just small stuff. I didn't do anything like huge or large pieces because it's just things I'm going to put away, probably use them next time or donate them and start from scratch. So either way, it doesn't matter. And one of the things with these flowers, guys, is once you spray them, they get very hard. So it's not flimsy, it's not thin because you use tissue paper. The spray paint itself makes it very, very very stiff so it can last. Tell me what you all think. I actually love the final look of it.
So, yes, thank you to each and every one of you all who have stopped by my channel, who have viewed my videos, who have subscribed. Please continue doing so. Please remember to keep your notification bell on so you will know when I upload new videos. Thank you so much again. Please share, like, subscribe, leave a comment if you would like, and may God bless you and have an awesome Valentine's Day with your family and loved ones.